Hey guys, so I've had a few people ask me about my bike setup and the bag setup for my ride across Australia. So I thought I'd just quickly do a video on my setup for this ride. Let's begin with the bike. The bike's a titanium build by Cloud Bicycles. It's the Adventure Titanium size 52 frame, so it's a small frame. It's running the Creative carbon wheels, 45 deep and 40 mil gravel 2.4 Thundero HD tires. I considered going slicks and something narrower, but with all the weight, I assumed that um, I needed all the puncture protection I could get. Drivetrain wise, I'm running the SRAM Force ETAP 13 speed wireless group drivetrain. Um, it's got 13 speeds at the back. The biggest cassette being cog being 46. That's 10. So it's got quite a bit of range. Cranks are 165s, and I'm running the Garmin Power Meter pedals. Up front, I'm running the SRAM Service Course alloy handlebar. That's 400 mils with a 110 stem. I've also got these profile design TT extension bars. They're sitting on 50 mil risers, so that gets me up off the drops for slightly more comfort. I've also gone and added the SRAM wireless blips at the bottom, just so that I can stay in the aero positions longer. In terms of my saddle, some keen-eyed viewers might recognize this saddle and the tape on it. This is the Specialized Power Mirror saddle. It's a 3D printed saddle, so it's quite soft in the middle here and it's quite firm here. I found this to be the most comfortable saddle. The tape on here is because it's so grippy. It's been prematurely wearing out some of my bibs, and I don't want that across 3 weeks of riding, so that's that there. That's effectively the bike. In terms of the bags, I'm running the Apidura X Map 9 liter front handlebar bag. That's got a bunch of stuff that I don't need often, so like spare tires and just other bits and bobs, like a first aid kit. Funnily enough, I've also got my drone controller that fits perfectly here. On the cockpit, I've got two Epidural 1.2 liter feed bags. It's all in the name. They've got a bunch of food and easy to access things. I've left this one empty just because it allows me to pack additional stuff if I go to a server. The best part about this is got a net over here, so I can use it as a bin, or if I need to access quick things like my dyno plugs and stuff, they just sit in here. Top tube bag is the long racing 2 liter top tube Apiduro bag. Again, it's got a bit of food and just stuff that I need to access off the bike quickly. In the frame, because it's quite small, I've got the 4 liter Apidura racing frame bag. That's just got a bunch of my electronics. Because the frame's pretty small, I can only run one bottle. That's also been shifted down, so I had to get a spacer to drop the bottle down so I can easily access the drink bottle. It renders this one pretty useless because the bottle eats up into the frame bag, so nothing in here. Down tube bag is the tail fin. I think it's a 1.7 liter tail fin down tube bag. That's holding all of my tools and stuff I won't use all the time. And the big bag at the back is the Revelate Spine Lock 10 liter bag. This I've found from testing to be one of the best saddlebags out there. It actually connects directly to my saddle here with this pin, or the spine lock, and it does not sway at all. It's the most sturdy bag I've used. It doesn't, it just feels like one with the bike, so big fan of that. Comfort options, I've got a light here, and I've got to set up another Garmin radar light on the back. Permanently locked on JBL speaker just for some tunes along the ride. I'm running the Garmin 1030 head unit just because I like the space and it's touchscreen. And up front, I've got the Raveman 1000 lumen front headlight. Apart from that, things I really like are the new ergonomics on the force levers. It truly is one finger braking. It's amazing. And the lever hoods are quite long as well, so your hands perfectly fit in here. But yeah, that's effectively the setup. If you've got any questions, hit me up. Oh, one thing I should mention is I've also put the epidural cages here. I've left them empty just in case I want to pick up additional supplies along the way. It allows me to keep more drink bottles. And yes, I'm running more than one drink bottle. I've got a Salomon hydration vest that allows me to carry an additional 3 liters of water on my back. The best part about that hydration vest is that if I don't need it, I can roll it up and put it in this saddlebag. It's 10 liters and I've only probably used about 7, so there's still quite a bit of space left in this. I've left a bit of room in some of the bags just in case I need to pick up additional stuff. And some might wonder, are you going to keep charging these batteries? No, I've got 4 of them, so I don't need to charge them. Anyways, that's my setup. Hit me up if you've got questions.